In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add new members to your team in Microsoft Teams. This process is straightforward, but ensuring you get it right the first time will save you a lot of hassle and enable smooth collaboration within your team. First, start by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Whether you're using a desktop application or a web browser, the process remains consistent. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard where you can see all your existing teams listed. Go ahead and click on the team to which you want to add new members. This action will take you to your team's main hub where you can access various channels and features tailored to your team's specific needs. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see 3 dots. These represent the More Options menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, select Manage Team. This menu option leads you to the Team Management interface where you can view details about your team's members and settings and get an overall view of how your team is set up. This section is crucial for team administrators as it contains the tools needed to efficiently manage your team's dynamics. Next, you'll want to turn your attention to the Add Member button prominently displayed within the management interface. Click this button to open a window that allows you to add members. A useful tip here: if you're managing a large team and need to add several members simultaneously, Teams makes this easy by allowing you to add multiple email addresses. Simply enter each email address separated by a comma in the provided field. This approach minimizes the time spent adding each person individually and streamlines the setup process, especially for larger groups or teams. Once you have entered all the necessary email addresses, ensure you've double-checked them for any errors or typos. This is important because even a small mistake can prevent an invited member from receiving their invitation. Upon verification, go ahead and click the Add button. Teams will then begin sending out email invitations to the specified individuals. These invitations will guide your new members through the joining process, including creating accounts if they don't already have them. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add multiple members to your Microsoft Teams group. This process not only helps you manage your current team more effectively, but also ensures that everyone necessary has access to the team's